Are you ready? Are you ready to begin your healing journey? Are you ready to start feeling better? Are you tired of not feeling well? I'm ready. So let's go. Let's start with the most important piece for healing. You can't do anything else without it. It's not a magic herb, a magic needle, a magic surgery. It starts with us. We're the magic. We're that special something. But do you know it? Do you know how much love you are and how loved you are and how special you are? So that's what our first piece towards our healing journey is. Go spend some time in front of a mirror. Go find a mirror. We all need to look ourselves in the mirror, eye to eye, by ourselves, alone with ourselves. And tell ourselves, I love you. I love every part of you. You are worthy. You are special. I forgive you. And I forgive everyone who's ever hurt me. That doesn't mean that we don't learn our lessons. And it doesn't mean that we don't forget the lessons we have learned from others. But healing begins with loving ourselves completely, unconditionally, no restrictions. So go look at yourself in the mirror and know you are loved. You are loved so much. You are love. You're pure love. You're magnificent. I don't care what you've done. I don't care the story behind what you have done. We all have stories. Some have a lot more drama than others. And some have a lot more pain than others. But everybody has their story. Everybody has their pain. There isn't a human experience without it. So let's begin our human journey of healing, because we are always healing. The human body is amazing, this experience. It is always aiming for complete wellness. There's never a moment in time that our body isn't seeking and actively taking action towards wellness. It never goes in the other direction. I don't care what your diagnosis is. That's how we're built. There is nothing in science that will deny that. Even when our body seems to be doing things it shouldn't be doing, it's doing the best it knows how with the environment it has been given. So, today, I hope this message finds anyone who needs to hear it. You are loved. And know that it's unconditional. Believe it in your heart. Embody it and embrace that. Forgive yourself and others. Let it all go. Don't hang on to anything other than love, because anything else will poison us. That's the beginning of ill health. And we are seeking our well-being always. So may you find this message. Always have hope. Always know you are loved, loving, and lovable. Never give up. Life is amazing. Until next time.